What does it take for a predator to show care? That question hit me as I stood in the heart of the Everglades, staring at this unforgettable sight. A massive American alligator glided effortlessly through the water. Then, perched on her back, a tiny hatchling looked like it owned the world. It was a scene that completely flipped how I thought about these powerful creatures. The mom, with her thick, rough scales and steely eyes, looked like the ultimate predator, strong, calm, and in control. Yet, here she was, carrying her fragile little one like it was the most normal thing. The baby, with its bright yellow stripes, stood out against her dark, weathered skin. It clung confidently to its mom, perfectly at ease, while she kept an eye on everything around them. It was as if nothing could harm them under her watchful presence. Getting this photo was an adventure in itself. Wading through the reeds, I stayed careful to ensure my safety and also avoid disturbing this beautiful moment. Every step made me hold my breath, hoping not to spook them. Suddenly, at one point, the baby shifted slightly and locked eyes with me. For a moment, I thought it would dive, but the mother stayed calm, and so did I. I had only seconds to capture the moment, so I steadied my camera, framed the shot, and clicked. It felt like I'd been handed a rare gift. This picture is so much more than just a cool wildlife photo. It tells a story about care and protection, even from a creature most people only associate with power and danger. Watching the alligator protect her hatchling reminded me that, even in the wild, life is more than survival. It's about connections, no matter how unexpected they might be. How often do we pause to notice that?